Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey with the Forex. Quick look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. It is up and down in trading here today, like a lot of the other currency pairs. Currently trading back to the upside, and that upside has a pretty decent ceiling that you might want to know about. So let's talk about it from a technical perspective in this video. For the dollar Swiss, there isn't much in the way of where the support has been found in the price action of late. But there is a pretty decent resistance level that I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you take a look at the 4-hour chart and you look at this area up here, this yellow area between all these different swing highs through here, and then the price moved above that area right through here, running to the upside. And then we tried to hold support right here on the corrected move to the downside. You try to hold support against the old ceiling right here, make it a floor, but that upside was limited and the price ultimately moved to the downside. Well, this week, what are we seeing? Well, we've seen the price move back up to this swing area on a number of different bars, including the last few bars here on the 4-hour chart, where the price has rebounded back to the upside. These lows right here is what I'm talking about, where it doesn't really make sense why the price bottomed at these levels. If we were to look at, say something like the 1-hour chart, the low prices today didn't really come close to the 100-hour moving average, the rising 100-hour moving average. It fell below the 61.8% retracement on 3 separate bars right here, so that should have kept the sellers more in control. But it sort of died in a random spot right here. That's okay, you know. It's just showing that the buyers are more anxious in this pair. But having said that, what we're seeing again off the 4-hour chart is that this swing area up here is doing a pretty good job of slowing the upside down. But what we do also know that is if this swing area is broken to the upside, that we should see further upside momentum off of that break. That's what you'd expect, something similar to what we saw right through here. After you have a pretty good, decent ceiling come in place, becomes a floor, and then becomes a ceiling again. Breaking through a ceiling leads to higher levels, and that's what the next trade would be for the dollar versus Swiss to the upside. Now, conversely, you could also lean against this ceiling right through here and look for a break back below the 61.8% retracement and further momentum to the downside. That's the hope right here. Maybe not stall at this level, but now that we have 2 bottoms right there, it would be a level that you'd have to get to and through to increase the bearish bias. So this area right here is the key level, a key level for both buyers and sellers. Move above it, it's more bullish. Sell against it and stay below it would be more bearish going forward. That's my technical look at the dollar versus Swiss. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.